Uric acid is a waste product that forms when your body breaks down purines, which are substances found in some foods and drinks. Normally, your body filters out uric acid through your kidneys and in urine. But sometimes, your body produces too much uric acid or doesn't eliminate it well enough. This can cause uric acid to build up and form crystals in your joints, causing inflammation and pain. If you suffer from high uric acid levels, you may be at risk of developing gout, which is a painful form of arthritis that affects the joints. The good news is that you can lower your uric acid levels by following a healthy diet that avoids foods high in purines and includes foods that may help reduce uric acid production or increase its excretion. In this video, we will give you 12 foods that can help you lower your uric acid levels naturally, according to studies. Make sure you watch until the end, as some foods on the list will probably surprise you. Now let's get started. Number 1. Cherries. Cherries are one of the best foods for lowering uric acid levels, as they have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help prevent gout attacks and reduce the severity of symptoms. This is because cherries contain anthocyanins, which are pigments that give cherries their red color and may inhibit the enzyme xanthine oxidase, which is the enzyme involved in the production of uric acid. A study published in 2012 found that eating cherries or cherry extract for 2 days reduced the risk of gout attacks by 35% compared to no intake. Another study published in 2003 showed that consuming sweet Bing cherries lowered blood levels of uric acid and markers of inflammation in healthy women. Number 2. Coffee. Coffee is not a food, but it is an amazing beverage that may help lower uric acid levels, as it contains caffeine and chlorogenic acid, which are both antioxidants that can inhibit xanthine oxidase activity and reduce uric acid production. Coffee also has a diuretic effect, which means it can increase urine output and help flush out excess uric acid from your body. A meta-analysis published in 2010 found that drinking 4 or more cups of coffee per day was associated with a 40% lower risk of gout compared to drinking less than 1 cup per day. Another meta-analysis published in 2016 found that each additional cup of coffee per day reduced the risk of gout by 8% for men and 10% for women. Number 3. Low-fat dairy products. Low-fat dairy products, such as skim milk, yogurt, and cheese, contain uric acid, which is a compound that can enhance the excretion of uric acid through urine and lower its concentration in the blood. A study published in 2004 found that increasing the intake of low-fat dairy products by 1 serving per day reduced the risk of gout by 21% compared to no change in intake. Another study published in 2012 found that consuming low-fat yogurt twice a day for 6 weeks reduced serum uric acid levels by 0.25 milligrams per deciliter compared to placebo. Other than that, they are rich in protein and calcium, which can help maintain healthy bones and muscles. Before we continue, if you have been enjoying the video so far, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more videos like this. Number 4. Vitamin C-rich foods. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin that has many functions in your body, such as supporting your immune system, collagen synthesis, wound healing, and iron absorption. But it can also increase the excretion of uric acid through urine by inhibiting its reabsorption in the kidneys. Vitamin C also acts as an antioxidant that can protect your cells from oxidative stress and inflammation caused by high uric acid levels. A meta-analysis published in 2009 found that taking vitamin C supplements at doses ranging from 500 to 1500 milligrams per day reduced serum uric acid levels by 0.35 milligrams per deciliter on average compared to placebo. Another meta-analysis published in 2011 found that taking vitamin C supplements at doses above 500 milligrams per day reduced the risk of gout by 44% compared to placebo. Some of the best food sources of vitamin C include citrus fruits, berries, kiwi, bell peppers, broccoli, cabbage, and tomatoes. Number 5. Olive oil. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, which is a phenolic compound that has anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects similar to ibuprofen, which is a common medication used to treat gout pain. Oleocanthal can also inhibit xanthine oxidase activity and reduce uric acid production. A study published in 2010 found that consuming extra virgin olive oil for 3 weeks reduced serum uric acid levels by 0.15 milligrams per deciliter compared to sunflower oil. Another study published in 2011 found that oleocanthal inhibited xanthine oxidase activity by 40% in lab studies. Other than this benefit, olive oil is a healthy fat that can improve your heart health, lower your cholesterol levels, and reduce inflammation. Number 6. Fiber-rich foods. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that your body cannot digest or absorb, so it passes through your digestive system intact and helps regulate your bowel movements. Fiber also has other benefits for your health, such as lowering your cholesterol levels, blood sugar levels, blood pressure levels, and appetite. But what is important here is that it can also help lower your uric acid levels by binding to it in your gut and preventing its absorption into your bloodstream. A study published in 2009 found that increasing dietary fiber intake by 10 grams per day was associated with a 0.26 milligrams per deciliter decrease in serum uric acid levels. Another study published in 2016 found that consuming a high-fiber diet for 6 weeks reduced serum uric acid levels by 0.5 milligrams per deciliter compared to a low-fiber diet. Some of the best food sources of fiber to eat include whole grains, beans, lentils, nuts, seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Number 7. Water. Water is essential for your life, as it makes up about 60% of your body weight and is involved in many processes, such as regulating your body temperature, transporting nutrients and oxygen, lubricating your joints, and removing waste products. But it can also help lower your uric acid levels by diluting it in your blood and increasing its excretion through urine. A study published in 2009 found that drinking more than 5 glasses of water per day was associated with a 40% lower risk of gout compared to drinking less than 2 glasses per day. Another study published in 2015 found that drinking more than 6 glasses of water per day reduced the risk of recurrent gout attacks by 40% compared to drinking less than 4 glasses per day. Number 8. Celery. Celery is a crunchy vegetable that is low in calories and high in water, fiber, and antioxidants. Celery also contains butylphenide, which is a phytochemical that has anti-inflammatory and diuretic properties that can help lower blood pressure and uric acid levels. In a study published in 2010, researchers found that celery seed extract reduced serum uric acid levels by 22% in rats with high uric acid levels. Number 9. Bananas. Bananas are a popular fruit that are rich in potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and fiber. But they can also help lower your uric acid levels by increasing the excretion of uric acid through urine and reducing its reabsorption in the kidneys. Potassium can also help balance the pH level of your blood and urine, making it more alkaline and less acidic. A study published in 2005 found that increasing potassium intake by 1 gram per day was associated with a 0.3 milligrams per deciliter decrease in serum uric acid levels. Number 10. Apples. Apples are delicious, high in fiber, vitamin C, antioxidants, and malic acid, but they can also help lower your uric acid levels by enhancing the excretion of uric acid through urine and inhibiting its production by xanthine oxidase. The malic acid in apples can also help neutralize the acidity of uric acid and prevent its crystallization in the joints. A study published in 2016 found that apple cider vinegar reduced serum uric acid levels by 0.25 milligrams per deciliter compared to water. Another study published in 2012 found that apple peel extract inhibited xanthine oxidase activity by 71% in lab studies. Number 11. Lemon. Lemon is a citrus fruit that is high in vitamin C, antioxidants, and citric acid. The citric acid in lemon can help dissolve uric acid crystals and prevent their formation in the joints. A study published in 2008 found that consuming lemon juice daily for 4 weeks reduced serum uric acid levels by 0.19 milligrams per deciliter compared to placebo. Another study published in 2014 found that lemon juice increased urinary pH and citrate levels, which can help prevent kidney stones caused by uric acid. Number 12. Pineapple. Pineapple is a delicious tropical fruit that contains bromelain, which is an enzyme that has anti-inflammatory properties and can help break down uric acid crystals. Bromelain also helps your body digest proteins better, which can lower the amount of purines that you absorb from food. A study published in 2010 found that bromelain significantly reduced uric acid levels and inflammation in rats with gout. So there you have it, 12 foods that can actually lower your uric acid levels. Other than these foods, you should also avoid foods that are high in purines, such as red meat, seafood, organ meats, alcohol, and sugary drinks. Now, what do you think about these foods? Did you try some of them before? Share with us your experiences and opinions in the comments below. We love to hear them. Thanks for watching.